Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Epson XP640 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this device. Open settings, scroll down, find your network settings, find Wi-Fi find Wi-Fi setup. Network settings. Here choose Wi-Fi setup and choose or Wi-Fi setup wizard. If you will choose the first item, you will need to provide you will need to choose the Wi-Fi network you want to connect, then provide the password from this Wi-Fi network. If you want to use VPS, so just click on this item, then click on VPS button on your router. If you want to set up VPS for your printer's VPS, you need to choose this feature. Wi-Fi auto connect, disable Wi-Fi. You can set up here Wi-Fi direct. Wi-Fi direct. Where we have, okay, here we have Wi-Fi direct. So we can set up Wi-Fi direct. For example, we can disable it or delete registered devices. If you have the iPhone, you can't connect using Wi-Fi direct because iPhone doesn't support the Wi-Fi direct connection. If you have Android, for example Xiaomi devices, so you can connect using Wi-Fi direct. And if you want to connect using Wi-Fi password and name, so choose Wi-Fi setup wizard. Wait a while, it will detect nearby Wi-Fi networks. Choose the Wi-Fi network you want to connect, and then you need to provide the login and password. So, okay, wait a while, and great. So here, if you want to choose the numbers, so choose the numbers, for example, then scroll down. Okay, enter the name, the password from your Wi-Fi network, and then, not space, but done. Wait a while, check your data, and click OK. Wait a while, and as you can see, a Wi-Fi connection has been established, so we can print a report. I don't want to print a report, but if you want to check your Wi-Fi network status, for example, you can print a report. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.